Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. Yes, this is a voiceover, guys. I am doing a voiceover for the first 2 minutes of this video because I did not realize my camera was on slow-mo for most of the morning. So we're gonna do a little voiceover, let you guys know what I was saying. And so yeah, so right here, I'm just letting you guys know that it's a new day. We're gonna be doing a keto day today. We're gonna try to stay under 30 grams of net carbs. I know I haven't done keto and low carb videos in a while, so I'm very excited. Now I am explaining my new coffee drink to you guys that I will explain more in the next clip. But I discovered this drink and I wish I would have known about this drink when I was doing full-blown keto. So here's what it is. It is a double shot espresso in a venti cup that I ordered from Starbucks. I then add this Premier protein shake and the coffee latte. Oh, here's me showing you guys my nails. I did these myself. These are a Gel X kit that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below. Anyways, back to the coffee. This, I'm using this as my creamer. There's 30 grams of protein. There's only about 2 or 3 grams of carbs and 160 calories. So how I drink this is that I order the double shot espresso from Starbucks, and then I just add the full bottle of the protein shake right into the cup, give it a mix, and I promise you guys, it tastes so freaking good. It was delicious because it was just coffee. The Premier protein shake was coffee. It was over espresso. It was really good. So definitely recommend. You should try it, especially if you're watching your sugar or if you're on keto. So, okay, here's me telling you guys that I'll see you guys at breakfast. It is 12:30 now. We are going to have a little breakfast. This is the keto waffle sandwich I get from Sam's Club. There's only 6 grams of net carbs, packed with protein. There's 16 grams of protein and I believe like 260 calories per sandwich. So the recommended way of making this is to throw the keto waffles in the toaster for like 2 minutes, and then you're gonna throw the chicken sausage and the cheese into the microwave for about a minute and a half. I am pairing this with avocado, so here's me slicing up avocado, and then I'm going to top this with everything but the bagel seasoning. And this is when I realized my camera was on slow-mo. Oh my gosh, guys, I just realized that my camera has been on slow motion all morning, so I'm so sorry. I just realized it. I'm like, this is like, my camera keeps going off in the middle of filming, so I'm like, what's going on? So I like looked back at the footage and they're like in all slow-mo, so I'm sorry. Anyways, let's talk about breakfast. So yes, this is breakfast, guys. I have a keto waffle here, or a keto waffle sandwich. It has chicken sausage and cheese, and then I have avocado topped with everything but the bagel seasoning. And yeah, this is gonna be my breakfast, breaking my fast. It is 12:45, so let's go upstairs and have this for breakfast. Guys, sandwich is so good. It's just so simple. I added a bunch of 2 times spicy hot sauce. I need hot sauce on everything. And then I just finished my Premier protein espresso coffee, which hopefully you guys were able to see that content because it was on slow-mo. But if you, for some reason, you can't, it's a keto-friendly drink. I just ordered 2 shots of espresso over ice in a venti cup, and I think it was like $2. And then I got the protein shake and I put it together and it was delicious. It was good. Okay, we're gonna continue working, and then I will see you guys at snack or at dinner. I don't know, whenever I feel hungry, I'll go down and I'll find something. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, it's 2:45. I have one of my favorite snacks here. This is from Sam's Club. They're lightly salted mixed nuts, and it's almost all gone. I probably eat this every day just to have, I don't know, a little something. So for about 23 pieces, so about maybe like a handful and a half, there's 5 grams of carbs. So it's really good. So I'm gonna have some of this, and then I'm also gonna have one of these Nola bars by Perfect Keto. This is in the maple pecan, and this one has 150 calories and about 6 grams of carbs. So we'll have this as our little snack, and then I do have water here with me. I drink about 2 of these big Stanleys a day. There's 40 ounces in one of these big ones. So I drink about 80 ounces of water a day, which is not quite a gallon, but very close. So just want to show you guys this. So yummy. Okay guys, it's 4:30. We're gonna go ahead and make dinner. I'm looking at these freaking lantern flies or lantern bugs. They're crazy. I've never seen them in my life until this year. There's so many of them. They don't hurt you, but I heard that they're like bad for the environment, but like we're bad for the environment. So like, I don't know, why does it matter? But like they're everywhere. So if you've been seeing lantern flies or whatever they're called in your area, leave me a comment. Let me know where you live, and have they infested your area, because they've literally been infesting Pittsburgh. It's insane. All right, so this is the shrimp that I thawed out. Add it into a little bowl. A little bit of avocado oil, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. I'm gonna cheat today and use some minced garlic. I don't know, about half a tablespoon of garlic. And you know what, guys? We're gonna make this into like an air fryer 1-pan dinner. Spray the shrimp to one side. And this way I don't have to dirty a pan. Be very quick. And then I'm gonna add little lemon slices right on top, just like that. Okay, so on this side, we're gonna add our broccoli. A little bit of olive oil. And then for this one, we're just gonna do salt, pepper, and garlic powder. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's giving me like Ninja air fryer vibes. Oh, there's my mom calling. I put it on 380 for 10 minutes, so we'll check it in 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is 5 minutes. We're gonna drizzle some more lemon. All right, guys. Dinner's done. Do our broccoli, roasted broccoli. Get that garlic. We're gonna garnish with a little bit of parsley. All done. Thank you, garbage. All right, guys, and here is dinner. This is a big old plate. Roasted broccoli in the air fryer, garlic lemon shrimp in the air fryer. This was so easy. It probably took me a total of like 15 minutes. 10 minutes to cook, 5 minutes to prep. So easy. I have my little lemon here on the side, but yeah, look at that, guys. It's so easy. All right, guys, so let's have dinner. This is just so easy to make. It's so flavorful. You can make this for like meal prep throughout the week. It's keto friendly, low carb, and it tastes so good. So let's try it together. You guys can add sriracha or whatever you want, but wow. That lemony, garlicky flavor. So good. If you try this at home, leave me a comment, let me know. If you have other recipes that involve broccoli and shrimp, let me know. This is like my favorite combination while I'm doing keto. Okay, let's enjoy dinner. Maybe we'll have a dessert tonight. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of what I eat in a day, keto, low carb. I might go ahead and just do another one tomorrow because it was just very easy. I didn't have to think too much about my meals because I kind of already like, I don't know, it just comes natural to me, you know what I mean? So anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.